Hello, my dear friend, and welcome back to English Listening Lab. I am John, and I am so happy that you are here with me today. Take a slow, deep breath, get comfortable, and let us spend this time together. Today, we are going to talk about something very close to my heart: how to stay motivated, and how your morning habits can shape the kind of day and the kind of life that you truly want. As always, I will speak slowly and clearly so you can relax, listen, and improve your English at the same time. There is no pressure here, just you, me, and a few gentle ideas that can change everything. Before we begin, if this is your first time here, welcome to our little family. And if you enjoy learning English in a calm, natural way, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new episode and you keep growing every single day. Now, let me ask you a simple question. How do you feel when you wake up in the morning? Do you feel excited about the day ahead? Or do you feel tired, heavy, and unmotivated? For many people, the morning is the hardest part of the day. The alarm rings, and the first thing they do is reach for their phone, scroll through the news, and fill their mind with noise before they have even opened their eyes fully. My friend, this is a mistake. The first hour of your morning is like the first step of a long journey. If you start in the wrong direction, the whole day follows. So let us talk about the first habit, and it is a beautiful one. Wake up a little earlier and give the first part of the morning to yourself. I know. Waking up early is not easy, but you don't have to change your whole life in one day. Start small. Wake up just 15 minutes earlier than usual, and in those 15 quiet minutes, do not touch your phone and do not check your messages. Instead, sit quietly, breathe, and let your mind wake up gently. This small pocket of peace belongs only to you, and it is one of the most powerful gifts you can give yourself. The second habit is gratitude. When you first open your eyes, before you even get out of bed, think of 3 things you are thankful for. They don't have to be big things. Maybe you are thankful for a warm bed, for a new day, for the people you love, or simply for the fact that you are alive and breathing. Gratitude is like a light switch for the mind. When you focus on what you have instead of what you lack, your whole mood begins to change. Motivation does not come from pressure. It comes from a feeling of hope, and gratitude is the mother of hope. Now, the third habit is very important. Move your body. You do not need to run a marathon or lift heavy weights. Just move. Stretch your arms above your head. Take a short walk or do a few gentle exercises. When you move your body in the morning, you send a message to your brain that says, I am awake. I am ready. I am alive. Movement wakes up your energy, and energy is the fuel of motivation. Let us pause for a moment and think about a word we have been using again and again: motivation. What is motivation really? Many people believe that motivation is a feeling that comes to you from the sky, like magic. They say, "I will start when I feel motivated." But my friend, here is a secret that took me many years to learn. Motivation is not something you wait for. Motivation is something you create. It comes from action, not before it. When you take one small step, you feel a little better, and that good feeling gives you energy for the next step. And step by step, motivation grows inside you. So do not wait to feel ready. Begin and the feeling will follow. This brings us to the fourth habit. Set one clear intention for your day. Before the busy hours begin, ask yourself a simple question: what is the one most important thing I want to do today? Not 10 things, not 20 things. When you choose one clear priority, your mind becomes focused, like a river flowing in one direction. And at the end of the day, if you have done that one important thing, you can rest with a quiet feeling of success. The fifth habit is to feed your mind with something positive. In the morning, the mind is soft and open, like fresh soil ready for seeds. So plant good seeds. Read a few pages of an inspiring book. Listen to a calm and uplifting lesson, perhaps one like this, and repeat a few kind words to yourself, such as, "Today I will do my best, and my best is enough." What you put into your mind in the morning will grow inside you all day long. So be careful what seeds you plant, because you will surely eat the fruit. Now, my friend, let us be honest with each other. Some mornings, you will not feel like doing any of this. Some days you will wake up sad, tired, or discouraged. This is normal. This is human. Motivation is not a straight line that always goes up. It moves like waves, up and down, up and down. The secret is not to be perfect. The secret is to keep going gently, even when the wave is low. On the hard days, do not judge yourself. Just do one small thing. Make your bed, drink a glass of water, take one deep breath. One small action can lift you, quietly, back toward the light. And I want to share something personal with you. In my many years as a teacher and in my own long life, I have learned that the people who succeed are not the ones with the most talent or the most luck. They are the ones who show up again and again, especially on the days when they do not feel like it. Consistency beats intensity. It is far better to do a little every single day than to do a lot once and then stop. This is true for motivation, it is true for health, and it is very true for learning English. A few minutes of listening every day will take you further than you can imagine. And that is the beautiful connection I want you to see today. Everything we have talked about, waking early, being grateful, moving your body, setting an intention, feeding your mind, all of these are habits. And a habit is simply something you repeat until it becomes a natural part of who you are. Learning English is exactly the same. You do not need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. Come back to this channel each day. Listen a little, repeat a little, and slowly, without even noticing, you will become better and better. So let me gently recap the powerful morning habits we explored today. First, wake a little earlier and give the first quiet minutes to yourself. Second, begin your day with gratitude. Third, move your body to wake up your energy. Fourth, set one clear intention for the day. And fifth, feed your mind with something positive. And remember the golden secret above them all. Motivation does not come before action. It comes from action. You do not wait to feel ready. You begin, and readiness follows. My friend, I hope these ideas bring a little more light and a little more energy into your mornings. Try just one of them tomorrow. Not all 5, just one. And when it becomes easy, add another. Small steps repeated with love will carry you to places you never dreamed of. In our next episode, we are going to explore another wonderful topic: how to build unstoppable confidence when you speak English, even if you feel shy or afraid of making mistakes. You will not want to miss it, so make sure you are subscribed. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for spending this time with me today. If this episode helped you, please give it a like. Leave a comment telling me which habit you will try first, and share it with a friend who needs a little motivation. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to English Listening Lab and turn on the notification bell so we can keep growing together, one calm morning at a time. This is John, wishing you a peaceful day and a motivated heart. Take care of yourself. Keep listening, and I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye for now.